This episode of the Good Living Now podcast is sponsored by our friends at Kuvings. Now, I've tried many cold pressed juices over the years, but the Kuvings Auto10 has truly simplified my routine. Now, my personal experience is that it's simple to operate and quick to clean. Now, with the Auto10, I can make everything from nice cream to morning smoothies to sorbets, and I can even make plant-based milk. Now, if you'd like to give it a try, use my affiliate code JUICEGUY at checkout to save 10% on Kuvings. All right, go ahead, grab your fresh produce and get your juice on.
So I want to share the one morning routine that really has changed my life and changed my health. And it's simple. It's things that you already have in your kitchen. Want to try it? Let's try it. Now, this is an easy way to kickstart your health journey. Just start with this. What is this? Well, we got a lemon, cayenne, and we're going to have some warm water. These three simple ingredients are a game changer. So I like to warm up my water. So we're just going to cut a half a lemon. So lemon is going to help to detoxify your body, but it's also really good for your digestive system. So it's great to have in the morning to get your digestive system going. And cayenne pepper is going to help to warm up your body, but it's also good for blood flow. And it's actually good for your blood pressure because it's going to open up your blood vessel. So you just add a dash or two of the cayenne pepper, or 3 or 4. I like it spicy, whatever you can tolerate. Then add your warm water. So warm water, lemon, and cayenne pepper is just going to help to kick off your day in a healthy way. So we're just going to stir that up. So instead of having that coffee, have you a little bit of warm water, lemon, and cayenne pepper. Your body will thank you for that.